Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Mercedes Benz A Class. So first of all, we're going to Bluetooth. We'll make sure Bluetooth is on. That was the green bit at the top. And then down to the bottom here, over to the system. You've got, if you want to go back to the menu, it's on nav at the moment. If you want to go back to the menu, you click star here. Then you've got navigation, radio, media, telephone. So telephone we want, click the center of the rotary control to select telephone. You've got connect device. Now that's already on connect device, but if it's not, all you have to do is just, if it's at the top there, pull down towards you. If it's right at the top, you have to pull twice because it goes onto the numbers in the center, and select connect device. Connect device. Connect new device is highlighted, so we click again. Connect via vehicle, click again. It's already picked up Mercedes Benz Bluetooth on the telephone, and now it's picked up my phone. So now we turn the rotary control till it highlights the phone you want to connect. Say for instance there's two of you in the car. Connect as new main phone. Gosh, it's Bluetooth pairing request 674148 pair, and it matches that one. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow, and let's just say Mercedes Benz Bluetooth connected. That's it connected there.